Hello, it's Isabel with the Farmer Success Team here at FarmRaise, and we are so excited to announce that you can now upload your bank statement or a spreadsheet of your transactions directly into the mobile app or the web browser app. So in this video, I am going to show you how to upload a CSV into the web browser app. So once you navigate to tracks at the top menu on the left hand side, you will then be able to scroll down to the bottom on the left hand menu, and it will be the very last thing on the bottom under profile and then under business information. So it'll say upload your data with a little rectangle and then an arrow pointing up. So you will then click on this. You will then be able to upload your CSV. It's very important that you only upload one file at a time. So if you need to upload multiple months' bank statements, make sure that you're only doing one at a time. You can also copy and paste them into one spreadsheet if that would be easier for you. So I have already downloaded my bank statement to my computer, and so I am going to grab this from my desktop, and then it looks like, oh, I do not have my header as my first row, so I'm going to have to try again. I removed the header at the top, so now I should be able to try this again. And so now you will see that I have the options. So the vendor name for mine is going to be the description, and then you will see the different example values. And then I will select the transaction date, which is the date. And then some of your bank statements will have where the income is positive and expenses are negative, or a single column where expenses are positive and income is negative. Or you can have two separate columns, one for expenses and one for income, and that's what mine is. So then I will select the expense column, which is debit, and then I'll select the income column, which is credit. And then I don't have any values show up here because all of my incomes are very low. And then this is from one account. And then I do not need to create a new account. I'm going to assign this to my existing account with Community State Bank, which is a manual account. You will be able to add to linked accounts here very soon, and we'll make sure not to add any duplicates, but please be conscientious of that if you are adding this to a linked account, to not add any duplicates. So saving, this may take a few minutes. I'm adding about 1,400 transactions right now, so you do have to have a little bit of patience, but if you've noticed that it's taking way longer than usual or way longer than you think it should, please feel free to reach out to our team or to refresh your page or to start again from the beginning. But you will have to have a little bit of patience, especially if you're uploading a whole year's of transactions. So all of these will be assigned to my existing tracks account, and then you will have the choice if you want to categorize it now to Schedule F categories or your personal categories and your products. So you can choose to do it later or you can do it now. So I'm going to choose yes. I'm going to do it now. And then I am going to be able to select all of the transactions that I want. So going to be able to select all of these, and then I can save these as groceries, and then I can save, and then I can see that those are all groceries. I can then add in my insurance ones here and go through and select all right, and then I can finish categorizing. And head to the home page, and then when they are all loaded, then I can go ahead and view all of those transactions. As you can see, it's loading all of those right now, and then I can click enter to the 10 for 500 for the month. So if you have any other questions about uploading your data or entering any of your transactions, please feel free to reach out. You can see that I did have some pop up that they might be duplicates, but I think that these, I do not believe that these are duplicates. And then I have transactions to review from my linked account, and then anything that I didn't get categorized before, I can go in and categorize. So if you have any other questions about this, please feel free to reach out to our team, and we hope that you have a great time uploading your data.